Report. Creature Report. Creature Report. Creature Report. Do do do. And there's a lot of trees here.
Yeah. Hey. So where are the bush turkeys? Oh, they live here really nice next to the beach.
And I want to show you the beach. Oh,
Yeah?
they have pictures of them.
Yeah. Be careful that you don't bite into your finger. We found a bush turkey. Bush turkeys, also known as scrub turkeys, are large birds that are known for their distinctive red heads and wattles. They are ground-dwelling birds that are often seen foraging for food on the forest floor. One of the most interesting things about bush turkeys is the way they build their nests. They use a combination of sticks, leaves, and other materials to create a large mound of material that can be several feet high and wide. The female bush turkey lays her eggs in the center of the mound, and the heat generated by the decomposition of the organic material helps to incubate the eggs. Bush turkeys are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. They are known to eat a variety of insects as well as seeds and fruits. Bush turkeys are an important part of the Australian ecosystem and can often be seen in parks and other green spaces. However, it's important to remember that they are wild animals and should be treated with respect. We hope you enjoyed learning about bush turkeys with us today.
The Bonzer Boys on YouTube channel.
Click the button below.
And subscribe to Bonzer Boys.